Hello, this is Cartoon Rocks. We're gonna do a quick update of Angry Birds real quick and say that there's a special offer for the Rainbow Riot, so we're gonna do that. Okay, let's do this. Alright, off to a good start now. Let's try this. Okay. Alright. Awesome. Awesome. Alright, that was a huge win right there. So, I think that's gonna be about it. Let's collect this real quick. Let's see what else we could also do. Not that I used a lot. Okay. There must be something else. Nah, I think we're all good here. Told you it's gonna be quick, and here we go. This is not a episode or a walkthrough. This was just a real quick win. So we updated our stuff, so that's pretty much good. Hopefully we don't have to. We had the 4th egg right now. I'm not gonna be on for long, and what else should I say? This thing's about to end in 1 hour and 50 minutes. I can't wait. And right now we're just beating everyone. God dang. God dang. Alright, so we're gonna do these events. But let's go to the pig, golden pig. It's probably gonna be super easy since we're just gonna rush it through and just start beating and beating and beating. So, hold on, guys. Alright, guys, I'm back. I just had to do something real quick. After this, we're done here. Golden pig, die! Seems like this guy's not bugging. This guy really seems to be wanting the blues right now. Oh gosh. Come on, Red. No. Okay. Come on, Chuck, do something. Beautiful. Leave my friend alone. Do not, Chuck. Do not take Chuck. I will take him. Okay. I'm surprised. There we go. We're almost there, guys, and really close. Come on. This is what I hate. The zombie takes so no, we're just gonna abort the battle because this is. I hate the zombie. If we really wanted to beat the zombie, we would have had like a big force and all that.